wolf. He was a plumb a tucker down. From a day of huffing and a puffing after those damn little pigs.
But on his way home, he caught one whiff of our Crimson Cuties basket of goodies and decided he had to investigate.
So the big bad wolf, he did his best to sneak on the Little Red Riding Hood. All right, buddy, here's your chance. Show us your best to sneak.
Oh, hell no. Don't you be sneaking behind me. No. This is a fairy tale, not a prison film.
I don't know, brother. You go to prison with a guy like that, and I bet you'll wind up with a fairy tale.
If I go to prison with a white-collar crime like this, I will be perfectly safe, and we will trade you away for 2 candy bars and a cigarette. But you, right here, good wolf. You have an accent?
British.
You're British? Oh, God, you're British. I can do whatever the hell I want to.
Oh no, you gotta be careful. You do that, he's just gonna Brexit his way out of here.
I'll show you his Union Jack.
Now, once the wolf got there, he decided to say hello by sniffing around her basket of goodies. Hold it on, honey, hold the way up.
There you go, Sniffy Sniffy.
Oh, good wolf. Wait, here you go, brothers. Scratch him under the chin. Wolves like that. Oh, come on. Go, oh, run the belly. Stop it, this is Yankee. You look at
I see that you can adapt to our American customs.
And you know, this is a PG show, so I can say this. I think I just became that wolf's bitch.
Well, now, he was so happy to see her.
He's happy about something.
And so overcome by the smell of sausages and strudel,
That he let out with a great big
bad wolf howl.
Good wolf.
Here you go, buddy. Here's a squeaky toy. Yeah, look, that's right. Just take the weenie. There it is.
Well, you know, Little Red Riding Hood was entirely too smart to be hanging out in the forest with some big weird weenie grabbing thing. So she decided to wait over there on the bench until we needed her in the next scene.
But don't worry, our villain wasn't about to let that vixen in red get away.
Play hard to get
Toy with his affections.
to the big bad wolf. You British people are so white.
How did he just sling his weenie over his shoulder? Shut
up!
I'm not gonna go fetch the weenie.
That's just another night in England. A dirty dog that he was. He hatched an evil plan.
I'm going to put this on YouTube so you can show it at home.
Don't worry, this won't take long.
In this humidity, do you really need to? To the wolf, he took a shortcut to Grandma's house.
Grandma's?
Ooh! Let me get Granny.
All right. You can get Granny, but try to pick a sober one.
On race weekend in Charlotte? Yeah, that'll happen.
I know, right?
All right, tell me what I'm looking for.
Well, my brother, she is a lovable Grandma Ty.
All right, a granny type.
That's right, she's cute.
She's cute.
She's sweet.
She's sweet.
You know, kind of like little old lady.
A little old lady.
She's got blue hair.
Blue.
What? Granny's a punk rocker?
Not that shade of blue, the other shade.
I think I got a perfect person over there. Oh yeah, Mama, it's you. Are you over the age of 18? Perfect. Oh yeah.
Hey, Curly!
Hang on. First off, thank you for not killing me. And oh my God, they smell so good. Every time she laughs, something tickles in my ear. What? They really do smell good. I could not hear you.
Oh yeah, sure. Kinda like earmuffs, huh?
Earmuffs? No! I was up higher than that. Oh yeah, sure, the British guy got it.
Brother, you can't pick that hot tamale like Granny. We said cute, sweet little old lady.
You shut the hell up. I mean, look at this beautiful woman. And her two friends. Oh, no, as far as I'm concerned, this is one cute, sweet little old lady. Dude, I'm not stupid, I wrote this show.
All right, well, let's hear Bunko Ready!
Put your hands up for Granny, everyone! Oh yeah!
Like this way, Granny, like this way. Now, Granny, you have a very easy part to play. All you have to do is stand right here. Wear this sexy bonnet. And look mature.
Damn! Hey, Big Bad Wolf, what do you think of Granny over there?
Whoa! Here you go, buddy. You might need this after all.
Now, as we were saying, the Big Bad Wolf, he took a shortcut and got to Granny's house long before Little Red Riding Hood.
Man, we can see why you hurried.
Just then, he burst right in and ate her.
That's the way to keep her happy.
Minute here! Children, you're never going to believe the explanation of that one. What did you just say?
I said that's a way to keep her happy.
No!
Now, wait a minute. I read the book. That's the way the story goes. That's why it's called a bedtime story. It's a part of oral tradition.
By the way, if you are laughing at that joke, you are just as filthy.
And we want to party with you.
Oh, yeah. Oh, my God. And then what happened?
And then he put on Granny's clothes. Oh, yeah, like he's never done that before.
What the hell kind of show are we running here?
Oh, come on, brothers, you remember? Then there's the whole, what big eyes you have, what big teeth you have, what big ears you have. Oh, yeah, nice ears.
See? The women are still laughing. We haven't crossed the line yet. Wait, let's see if I get this right. He eats her. He puts on her clothes. Oh my God, it's the Jerry Springer show.
Yeah, and a little while later we get beat up.
By some great big British guy holding his little tiny weenie.
I can't believe it. You said it. You got too far. You cussing it like. What about family value?
Oh, come on, brothers. I'm just giving the people what they want. Right, audience? I said right, audience? See, I'm not stupid. I wrote this show.
Well, I don't care. We are changing all this right here. Stand here. Shoulders back. Stop it. And right now.
Fine, let's just start this whole scene all over.
All right, so look. When the wolf gets there, he bursts right in and... howl. Extra loud.
Good.
Lady, don't laugh. You're next.
Wiki.
I can do it from here.
He usually has to. Well now, Granny took one look at the wolf, and it was love at first sight.
Oh. But then all of a sudden, Red Riding Hood burst in, First Lady. No, that was one hell of a burst. And she was with the wolf, and it died. Oh.
Well now, our ladies knew they were in for a stiff competition with a stud like that in the footage. So the girls, they squared off across the stage.
They stood tall.
Tall, hands on hips.
They thrust out their chests.
You can thank us later, little guys. Oh, we are such naughty boys.
Yeah,
Make them do it again.
they thrust out their chest. Oh yeah, life is good. See, I'm not stupid. I wrote this show.
Well now, Granny was an old hand at this sort of thing, so she sashayed over to the wolf and back.
Come on, honey.
Boom, shaky, boom, shaky, boom.
And back. Wow, you're right, Mama. Your milkshake does bring the boys to the yard. No, fine, I'll do myself.
He usually has to.
Oh yeah, well Red Riding Hood was no slouch either, so she did her own sexy little walk over to the wolf and back. Boom, shaky, boom, shaky. Oh yeah, oh sweet mama, we are so in there. Oh yeah.
Well now, Granny wasn't about to let a little tramp have her wolf, oh no. So she looked over at the wolf and flashed him a sexy smile.
Go on, Granny, flash him. What do you got, dude? I think we're negotiating. Yeah. Europe doesn't want you anyway.
Oh yeah, well Riding Hood wasn't about to be outdone by that old biddy, so she blew him a kiss. You're applauding, but I know you're just kind of a hussy, aren't you?
Oh yeah? Well, Granny, she wiggled her hips. Girlfriend has done this before.
Oh yeah, well Riding Hood swung her derriere, shook her tail feathers, and bumped her booty. Go Riding Hood, go Riding Hood.
I don't know, Granny, I think we're in trouble. It must be time to whip out the big guns.
No. I can make it rain.
So she looked over at the wolf and batted her baby blues, or baby greens. Wait, just wink at him. It looks like you're having a seizure.
Well, realizing it was do or die time, Riding Hood got down to brass tacks and showed that wolf what he really wanted to see. Whoa. I want to see if you can actually do it. Even though I didn't know try this, it worked for us. Show the money.
When the wolf saw this, he just had to reply,
We have a winner!
Realizing she was defeated, Granny decided to retreat backstage for a little while. I'm gonna see the booby prize.
Meanwhile, Riding Hood skipped over to the wolf, Skippy, and gave him a great big sloppy smooch. Oh, back to the face. Oh.
the wolf let out with his best. Tarzan yell. And the crowd went And here's what happened next.
Well, Little Red Riding Hood and a big bad wolf, they finally got together, lived happily ever after, made a huge passel of big, hairy, scary, very freaky puppies.
Oh, but what about Granny? Come out here,
Oh,
Granny.
Granny, come in.
Oh, Granny,
Looks like you get stuck with us. We're not stupid. We wrote this show. Raphael, come on over. There's totally room for three here. Now, Granny, since you get stuck with us, we're going to go ahead and make you An honorary Tortuga twin.
And don't forget, you could have been the winner, except you did not have any money.
But don't worry,
We'll show you how to fix that. Hold that hat, sweetie, you're gonna need it. Folks, it is now time for all of us coming out there and pass our hat for tips, because that's an important part of how we make our living. From the DVD and other merchandise sales available at our cart right there, and your generous tips and donations.
and don't forget, our newest Tortuga will be up here passing her hat for us as well.
So if you try to show, if you laugh, or if you're just struggling your way through puberty, please feel free to reach into your pocket, pull something out, fold it up, and drop it into our hat, or the hat of the beautiful and bodaciously ta-ta granny right up here.
And for every donation of $5 or more, you get this
Furry bumper sticker.
Now remember, we need to get $1 from
Each and every one of you, so we can afford to have our wolf fixed. But first, let's have a big round of applause for All Star Dad.